File name and date as the footer. Under the Insert menu tab, go to Footer, and I'll use this blank 3-column layout. I'm going to choose the file name from Quick Parts here and choose the field which has file name and click OK. We're going to choose to preserve it during updates. I'm going to blank out the middle one there, and on the right hand one, the date, I can pick up automatically from the system by clicking here. Choose whatever style I want. I like this style here, and I'm going to leave it update automatically. Insert your name as a header, and then you can print a copy. The header area here, you just click anywhere you wish. I'm going to just double click into the center of my header, and I'll type my name. And then just double click out of the header so I can resume working on the document. You can see that header and footer are now faded out. However, when we do process our print, by clicking the Office button and print, that header and footer will appear. After that, you just have to choose your particular printer that you're going to use and click OK. 16. Save as CO2 final. This time we use the File and Save As option. We've already navigated to our word processing folder, so we don't require to do that again. So change the file name to CO2 final. Just click Save. Moving on to the next page of our assignment, and zooming in here to step 17. Insert 2 new rows at the top of the table and merge the cells in each row. So we'll just click into the top row of the table, and under the Layout tab of the Table Tools, we'll insert 1 row above and then another row above. Now the first row has to be highlighted. I'm going to merge the cells in that row. We'll also merge all the cells of the second row. Copy and paste the heading CO2 emissions ban onto the top row and center. So we'll highlight that, we'll copy, we'll paste it, and you can see it's already centered. We'll just make sure that it's centered. 19. Format this row to be 1.5 centimeters in height. Font is Veranda 14 bold. Add our text. Veranda. Or Verdana 14. And bold, which it already is. And we'll reset our height in the layout area to be 1.5. Just click anywhere outside there and you can see the height changes. Cut and paste the sentence into the second top row. Note there was a copy and paste for step 18. This time it's a cut and paste. So you're removing the sentence and putting it in rather than taking a copy of it. And format to be 1.2 centimeters height this time, and Verdana 14 italics. So this is the sentence that we have to cut. So right click and cut this time. Paste it in. Make sure we backspace out any extra space. So italics and Verdana, which we've used recently, so we can select that there. We'll change the height of the row to be 1.2 centimeters. Just click back into our document there to make that height change. Step 21, center the table vertically on the page, and step 22 will be print a copy. We'll just highlight the entire table by clicking on the crosshairs at the top left hand corner of the table, which selects the table as a whole rather than items inside the table. The page layout tab, go to the page setup dialog box and the layout tab of that dialog box, and under the page area of that, change vertical alignment to center and just click OK. Now when we zoom out and have a look at our document, you can see the vertical alignment of the table is centered, and you've got not as much space underneath, white space underneath the table. Then all you have to do to print is just click File and Print and choose Quick Print because you've already selected your printer.